It's a situation in which we lost the birds because we lost their habitat. Red-cockaded woodpeckers are a species endemic to the United States and the southeastern U.S. specifically that inhabit coastal pine forest sites, specifically longleaf pine burn sites. They will extend up into Kentucky, the Daniel Boone National Forest, and things like shortleaf pine, and they'll utilize loblolly and other species. Any red-cockaded woodpecker population in the southeast is always just one good hurricane away from being wiped out. So the idea that as we deal with things like climate change and stronger, more dangerous storms, more damaging storms, one good Category 5 hurricane could be detrimental to any of these woodpecker populations that we're working with. People are excited to come out and see red-cockaded woodpeckers. It's a bird that most people in the United States may never see in their lives. I think people realize that we're all connected, and this is an important piece of the puzzle, and we need to make sure it stays out there.